let's get started. I cut one apple and yo, I want you guys to watch this video to the end because I tell you say that menu yeah, be sure I know say I never tried before. But anyway, I diced up one apple. After that, I add some oats into a jar, 2 glasses of milk, and I add a teaspoon of maple syrup. Then stir it together. The apple that I cut, I added it to the jar. Also, after that, I added some banana. I only did have like half of a banana. So, yeah, I cut up that and then add it to the jar. Also, then I had some dates. I cut up some dates. I take out the seed and then add that to the jar too. Yo, trust the process, yeah, man. Then I had a little bit of blueberries. I also add that and then store everything together and then store it in the fridge for like 2 hours and a half. Something like that. Yo, you can wait longer, even overnight. And yo, me tell them say, yes, when me take what and try it. Yo, me no want to feel like me I tell no lie, but me wouldn't want enough to try it too. And then come back and tell me what you all think.